All right, this morning I had a vision of what's going on with the planet and the planetary field. So it's connected to a lot of things that are going on galactically, as well as the human collective, as well as the planet. Okay, so what I was shown is that the Earth has now fully anchored the diamond sun structure around it and within it. Okay, the planet herself. So what she's working with is working with plasma, the golden plasma, through the solar logos, which is embedded within that structure, the 144 structure within the planetary grid system and surrounding the planetary field, as well as the rainbow torus, which is acting as a temporary geomagnetic field until she can actually come back into balance. Okay, so that is huge, and what that means is that we have shifted into the positively polarized universal structure the Earth has and humanity has. So what does that mean for humanity? It means that for you to stay within this new Earth structure, you're going to have to be able to phase lock with the Earth's diamond sun. Okay. So how does that work? It means that your energy, your frequency, your intention has to be aligned with true source. Okay. If you have distortions, inversions, those types of things, or you're resonating at a really low frequency, your traumas, your wounding, your distortions will start coming up. So it's kind of this energy of sink or swim. And that doesn't mean to be scary to people. I don't mean to scare people, but those that have been doing the work, you're going to start rising quicker now, especially if you can phase lock with the planetary diamond sun. If you can phase lock with that, then you will begin rising really quickly. Okay, if you can't phase lock with that, then all of these distortions, blockages, and stuff will start literally coming to the surface, whether it's gentle or not. We're looking at energetic structures, and it will have to happen. There's no way around it. So stuff has to clear. So the recommendations here are that people begin tuning into their energy every single day, seeing what needs to come up, start working through that daily. Okay, purifying your field, violet flame, chakra breathing, start working on the light body, structuring your own diamond sun. Okay, and this is what the Jedi School is all about. Helps people move through this with more simplicity and understanding. So we teach energy mastery. We teach an understanding of your own field, both your energy field and your light body. We have all the activations, all the healing sessions that would help you through this. Even those that can phase lock with the diamond sun, you guys will have a pretty easy path moving forward. But that doesn't mean there's not going to be stuff that comes up. Okay, no matter what or who you are within the structure, there's going to be healing that needs to happen, unless you're resonating with the diamond sun already. Like your personal field is also the diamond sun. Okay, it is a pure source fractal, a pure source energy that moves through your field in the 144 point Merkaba, the rainbow torus, and the solar logos. Okay, it's the same structure as the planetary field. That's why when you activate the diamond sun, you can work at a planetary level as a source fractal, channeling divine energies through your physical body and your light body into the planetary core. Okay, so as more people elevate and begin connecting to these diamond sun energies, they've been slowly channeling these energies into the planetary field, placing seeds around the planet within the grid system, and those seeds have begun to grow, or have grown, into the diamond sun of the planetary field. Okay, so this is a huge shift. Okay, and it's really, really exciting. So I'm really happy to have seen that. So we still have personal work we have to do at an individual level. Just know that if stuff is coming up, there's nothing wrong. It's just being asked for you to clear. Okay, those of you that really want to step into that mastery, please reach out. Send me an email, book an analysis, and I can look at your field, and we can start looking at recommendations where you would be, like what school would be most beneficial for you to move into, to learn what you need to learn to start mastering this. Because once you get to the diamond sun, which everyone's capable of doing, then you become basically a planetary creator, and you will be able to start building the blueprints for the new earth and everything that's moving forward, what we're moving into. Okay, so this question just came through too. How do you know if you can phase lock with a diamond sun? You'll phase lock with a diamond sun if you all of a sudden start progressing rapidly with your gifts, your skills. All of this, it doesn't matter if there's a rapid progression or a lot of stuff needs to clear. Either way can show a little bit of turbulence in your field, because emotional stuff is going to come to the surface. Micro distortions, quantum, subquantum issues in the field. The cellular structure starts changing and shifting as well. So stuff will be purging from the body. There's a lot that can happen. So the best thing to do is to check in daily, do daily meditations, daily purifications, make sure you're grounding, and make sure you're taking care of your body, okay? And keeping your field clear. If you do that and you're grounding and working on the light body, you should move through this pretty simply, okay? Sending love, bye.